As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, I don't have specific information on the best money-making methods in 2024. Economic conditions, technology, and various factors can change rapidly, and I don't have real-time data. However, I can suggest some general strategies that have been popular and effective for making money. Keep in mind that the effectiveness of these methods may vary depending on the current economic and technological landscape. 1. Investing. Explore various investment options such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds. Consider newer investment opportunities like cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and other emerging assets. 2. Freelancing and online work. Utilize online platforms to offer your skills in freelancing, such as writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing. Participate in the gig economy by providing services through platforms like Uber, Lyft, or TaskRabbit. 3. E-commerce and dropshipping. Set up an online store and sell products through platforms like Shopify or Amazon. Consider dropshipping as a way to sell products without holding inventory. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products and earn a commission for every sale generated through your referral. 5. Online courses and e-learning. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Offer tutoring or consulting services in your area of expertise. 6. Content creation. Monetize your content through platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Explore podcasting and sponsorship opportunities. 7. Real estate investment. Invest in real estate properties either through traditional methods or real estate crowdfunding platforms. 8. Cryptocurrency and blockchain. Engage in cryptocurrency trading.